and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm so glad that you are here, and if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys, today's video is super exciting because I finally got my BoxyCharm and my box is amazing this month. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that I think now is closer to $22 than $21, but still, I've had it for several years now, and it's the best beauty subscription out there in my opinion. We have to do the question of the day. Today's question of the day is, what is something you are looking forward to this current week? I want to make this a question I am doing more on my channel because I love hearing about your guys' life, things you are looking forward to. I want us to really form a wonderful community and a friendship. For me, oh my gosh, it's that we're taking a trip. I'm so excited. We are going to Tulsa, Oklahoma for Hanson Weekend. If you don't know who Hanson is, I'll link one of their music videos down below. They are my all-time favorite. I'm a fanson. I'm obsessed. I love them. And I cannot wait to have a weekend away. And I guess just to include, I'm just so thankful that I have family in the area who is willing to stay at my house and watch our pups so that we are able to do this trip. So I would definitely say that is what I am looking forward to. Leave whatever you are looking forward to down below. If you want to see what I got in my box, watch me put it all on my face, and also have a chance to win, I don't know, maybe like a $20 Walmart gift card, then just stick around and keep watching because you don't want to miss out. I'm so excited for this box, you guys. So, if you're new here, then you might not be aware of the fact that I do a giveaway every single month when I get my BoxyCharm box. I usually have 2 to 3 items per box that I don't need. I have so much makeup that I don't need that I'm like, you know what, I can give this away. You guys, I cannot do that this month. I want to try everything, but before you click off this video, I've decided I can't skip a giveaway. It doesn't feel right. So what I'm going to do is actually do a giveaway for a $20 Walmart gift card. So that way, whoever wins can pick out a few items that they need, they want, or heck, maybe they just need to get some groceries to get through the week. Whatever it is, I'm so excited to do this giveaway. I think it'll be a little fun switch in my monthly giveaway. And like I said, I just can't not do a giveaway. It doesn't feel right. I love giving back to my Lash fam because you guys are seriously the best. The hair is out of the way. I can now start playing with these items. I'm actually going to pull out the first item that I cannot use on this video because I've already put my foundation on for the day and that would be a waste. We did get a full-size Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. Glam Glow is such a high-end brand and usually a pretty darn expensive brand, so let's pull out our little info sheet and see how much this bad boy is. The Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser comes in at $28, actually a little bit more affordable than I would have expected for Glam Glow. It says gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin. It has apple extract, vitamin E, green tea, soap, fragrance, and SLS-LES free. Good for all skin types. Definitely excited to add this to my stockpile of skincare because I'm addicted to skincare, you guys. So the next item is something I am going to apply. It is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I do love a good cream eyeshadow, but the key word there is good. Sometimes they're not the greatest, so we shall see, but this color is so beautiful. This is called Cupid. I thought that was super cute, and it's definitely like a holographic multi-dimensional glitter. Looks super pretty. I'm very excited to give it a try. This comes in at $22. So in the positive from what I spent on the box versus what I'm getting in the box. This actually is like a big size for a cream eyeshadow. Nice longer doe foot applicator. Oh, this color is far prettier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. With my finger, I don't want it to be too thick and where it starts bunching or smudging. It's really creamy, and actually, somehow I already got it all the way down here. It's definitely more of a sheer shimmer glitter than the Stila liquid glitters. This is much more dainty than those. If you like just a soft sheen to your eyeshadow, I think you would really like this. It does seem like it's going to be a little bit buildable. If you wanted more bang to the lid, you could get there. I don't like when liquid eyeshadows dry in my lashes and like clump them together. I'm like, ugh. Ooh, it's so pretty, you guys. Like most liquid eyeshadows, it gives you that cooling feeling on the lid. I don't know why that is, but it's very cool feeling. I feel like it's also one of those formulas that even when it's dry, it makes your eyelid feel wet. I have had, the Stila does that to me. Basically, any liquid eyeshadow does that to me. Does it do it to you? Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm going to just tidy up this outer edge here. I just want to blend the two together just a little bit. Definitely more of a topper. It doesn't blend in with your powder products, which is not the end of the world, but good to know. The next thing I'm going to test out is an eyeliner. And usually I do not keep any eyeliners I receive, but this is a green one. I don't have any green eyeshadow. I don't have any green eyeliner. I was like, oh, that's kind of neat. I want to try that. This is the Bodyography eyeliner pencil in Emerald, $14. Very excited to give this a try. Look at how vibrant and bold that is. I do have a turquoise eyeliner. Let me just compare. Very similar. This one is just barely more green than blue. So pretty, and I know it doesn't technically match my eye look today, but I feel like I can make it work because of the earrings I'm wearing, so I'm going for it. That was so easy to apply to the waterline. I actually struggle with that, and that was very easy. I'm going to try, I don't know if this will work out, but I'm going to try to just put a little bit in the upper lash line. Oh, it worked. I will say the tug of the liner did flake off some of my eyeshadow, so once that dries down, it's not something you're going to want to touch or play with too much because you will get some fallout. This is not my everyday look, but, you know, it's always fun to play with color in my opinion. The next item is the one I am the most excited for. If you follow my friend Christina Chang here on YouTube, you even heard her mention me because as soon as I saw this on the BoxyCharm sneak peeks, I was like, I hope we get this. It is the Alamar Cosmetics blush palette. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got Alamar Cosmetics in a box months ago, and I was so impressed by the eyeshadow palette. So impressed. And then I've started following her on Instagram. Her other palette looks beautiful. I hope we get that one in BoxyCharm at some point. It's so pretty. But this blush palette spoke to my soul, you guys. I love blush, and I don't know if anybody else feel like this is the year of blush. Everybody's into blush. Even people who weren't ever into blush are loving blush. I just love blush. It gives such a youthful look to the face. You can really sass up any look with a good layer of blush. So I'm so excited that I got this. I'm so thankful. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I'm so excited. This makes the box for me right here. This comes in at $22. It is a blush trio. And I even got the right category for me, fair light, so I'm so excited. I was like, I kept thinking, if I get it, it's going to be my look. I'm going to get the deep one, and I won't be able to wear it, but it all worked out. So this formula is stunning. It is definitely more of a satin finish, which I love. Okay, there are 3 shades in here. The first one is Castaway, then it is Paraiso, I'm not sure how to say that, and then Scorcher. So let's do a little swatch here. Oh, they are so buttery. It's so soft and so, oh, look at that. Look at those beautiful swatches. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to put this on my face. I'm probably going to use all of them. I won't lie to you guys. I'm going to wear all 3. I'm going to start with the middle one, Paraiso. It looks like the most matte blush out of the 3. The other 2 seem to have much more of a golden sheen to them. So I'm going to start with the matte one. There is a little kick up in there if that's a problem for you. Doesn't bother me at all. That color is so beautiful. If you are a very natural blush wearer, this is perfection. It just looks like a really healthy, pretty flush, and it looks very skin-like, which is nice. That color is beautiful. Beautiful. And now I'm going to go in with Scorcher and then Castaway. I'm going to apply Scorcher more to the outer. I like a little more blush back here since I don't really have cheekbones. I like to pretend that I do. Beautiful. Look how those blended together beautifully. There's like a perfect amount of pigment in here. They're not overly pigmented where the little dip in there in one swipe, you're like, I look like a clown. And then I'm going to go in with Castaway, which is the most orangey toned. I love an orangey toned, peach toned blush. And that one's going right here on the front. It definitely has the most gold to it. So with my large pores, it is emphasizing. I won't lie to you guys, but I really don't care because I love a glow. And then I'm just going to pop it on top of my cheekbone as a soft highlight. And, hello. Oh yes, I love blush. I can honestly say this formula is the bomb. It's so buttery, creamy, blendable, and just a beautiful blush trio. I am obsessed. I love that. Now, it's time for a little lip, and that will be everything in my box. If you are noticing my hair is different, you are correct. I just got it done, and I'm looking like a sun-kissed summer girl right here, and that is what I was going for. Okay, so I'm really excited because I've never tried this brand before. I got a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in here. This comes in at $18, and I actually got a really wearable shade, so I'm super excited. Lazy Daisy. It looks like a very cool toned mauve pink. This is one of those formulas where it's very watery feeling, very liquid, which tells me it's going to dry down. It smells so good. If any of you got the red shade, I must say that looked beautiful. Christina got a coral shade that looks stunning. This formula applies really nicely. I can definitely tell it's going to start more moisturizing and then really dry down. I bet this is one that's going to stick around all day, which is fine. I'm not a huge fan of liquid lipsticks, but they do have their time and their place, and the color is really beautiful. So overall, I am so impressed with this month's box. Oh my gosh. If you got the Alamar Cosmetics palette, what did you think? Are you as impressed as I am? Because I think it is so, so good. I can't stop looking at my cheeks because I love blush. So just like any other BoxyCharm giveaway that I do, there's a few little rules you have to follow by to be entered. First of all, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be a member of the Lash Fam. So if you haven't subscribed, then just click that subscribe button. Next, you have to be 18 years of age and have a USA mailing address. If you guys are international subscribers, please know that I still so appreciate you being here and hope to one day be able to do international giveaways here on my channel. But at this time, I just cannot do that, and I'm so sorry. So yes, please, if you are entering, make sure you have a USA mailing address and that you're 18 years of age. And then lastly, comment down below with hashtag I love my lash family. It helps me know who is really entering versus who's just commenting. And also include your Instagram handle if you have one. If you do not have Instagram, then please make sure your message feature is on YouTube so that I can contact you if you are the winner. That's it. It's so easy. It's so simple. So definitely make sure you are doing that so you guys can get entered to win this $20 Walmart gift card. I seriously love doing these. I'm like, ooh, let's look through my comments. Who should I shout out? Today's shout out of the day is Desiree Sanders. She commented on one of my older videos. It was about the Too Faced lip injection product. She was just kind of voicing her opinion that those products are kind of gimmicky and she doesn't get why people buy them. And honestly, Desiree, I'm with you. They're like fun for like a one-time thing, but really, am I going to wear that every day? Am I going to go through the burn every day just to have a little bit plumper lips? No, I'm not. Desiree, thank you so much for leaving your opinion in my comment section. I am so glad that you are here and a part of the Lash Fam. If you haven't subscribed, then just like I said, click that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram. I love getting to know you guys better. As always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.